The Evening Standard Sudoku. This is a very regular looking shaped one. It says target 30 minutes. I'm going to try and do it quicker than that for you. Let's give it a go. Let's start. The ones can't reduce. The twos, 2, 2, and then 2 down here. No, that's too few. 2, 2, and then 1 across there. No. 3, 3, and 3. Yes, we've got 3. We've got a pair of 3s. From that one, and that one. Across here, again, it's 3 3s. That's no good. 4, 4, 4. We've got 2 4s. 4, 4, 4. We've got a whole 4 there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Nothing doing there. 5s. Where are the 5s? 5 there. Crisscrosses with that. Doesn't help. Nope. 6s. 6, 6, and then 2 6s there. It's better than a kick in the teeth. 2 6s up here as well. Crisscrosses. No. Looks like that's it. 7s. We know the 7s are going to go either side there, and they're going to go either side here. So actually, we do have two. You do have a pair of 7s there like that, because of this one can't have it. So you do have 2 there. That's all with the 7s. The 8s, 8, and going across. That's all. 9, 9, and then 9 going across here gives us 2 9s. Can't go in the third one because of that one up there. 9, 9, and 9 on this side. Same idea. Just those 2. Which means it's going to be 9, 9, and 9. That's correct. 9. Yeah, that can go either way, I suppose. Crisscrosses to that. Okay, so we've gone around all the numbers now. That's the first thing to do. Now we look for a block of 3 like this. We go 3 into that. Can't go into that, so we pull Q it down to here. So the 3 has to be one of those 2. It can't be that one, so it's that one. 3, 3, that gives us 3 here, doesn't help us. 3, 3, 3 that up there now, so that gives us another pair here, which matches that pair there. What else do we have on the pool cue? 4, 6, nothing. Oh, 3, 4, no, there's nothing else on that pool cue, unfortunately. Just to explain how the pool cue works, is when you've got a little row of 3 like that, you look for a number in one of the adjacent big squares that's not in that little row of 3. That's your ball for your pool cue. And then you take it over to that row and you knock it down to the next square, because the thing with the pool cue is that if the number can't be one of those 3, then it must be in the remaining row. So in this instance, we've got the 3 there, which is our ball for our pool cue, and the 6, 4, 2, it's not on the pool cue. So therefore, the pool cue knocks it into the next square, into that row. Do you see? So you've got the 3 there, stick it on the pool cue, knock it into that next square. Because the one in the square that's got the pool cue in it has a row. We know which row it's got to be in because of the pool cue. The pool cue takes up that row and knocks it down to the next square. I hope that makes sense. I call it a pool cue. But the row's getting complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 7, 9. It's 5, 7, 9 here. There's a 7, so that's 5, 9. That's all we can do. Yeah, just the 5, 9. Any other rows that are filling up a little bit? That's got 4 in it. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 6. Let's do this one since that one was good and it's very symmetrical. We're going to do all 4 long sides. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Again 2, so 3, so that's 3, 8. Oh, and there's an 8 there, so that's 3. Going to get the black ink out for our first black number. It's not the first black number, is it? Because that's black, really. If we're talking about black, we're going to go black with all these. Just remember, though, once you've gone black, you can never go back. So stay red if you're not 100% sure. 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Any more pool cues? Is that row looking better now? No, not really. It's just because I blacked it in. It's not actually got more in it. It's blacked it in. Right, across here. 2, 4, 5, 8. 2, 4, 5, 8. 2, 4, 5, 8. 2. Oh, look. 2, 4, 5, 8. 2, 4, 5, 8. 2, 4. No. Let's do this one. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Nope, nothing happening there. Got 1, 5, 6 here. It's 3 numbers though. It's more than we want. Go across the top. 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 3, 5, 6, 7. That's a black one. We can put it black, that one. So what did we say? 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's just going to be 3, 5, 6 now. 3, 5, 6. So that's 3, 5, 6. This will be 3, 5, 6. And this one will be 3, 5, 6. So we've got 5, 6, 3, 6 and 3, 5. So they're not, they're stable. We can't do anything, we can't reduce them further yet. So this is where you might get stuck. You might say, well, I don't know what to do now. Well, you can look at some of these rows and say, well, you've got the 9s there. So you can pretend they're not in the square at all. Or you can look at this one and see you've got the 4s there and the 3s there. So you can pretend they're not in the square for the purposes of these clear squares here. We can go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it gets us exactly nowhere. That's what you do, though. That's how you do it. Some of these have got extra numbers in, didn't have before. So 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 4, 8, 9. That's all we can do there, I think. We've got the 6s there. 1, 2, 4. That's 1, 2, 4. Oh, look, there's a 1 and a 4 there, so that's the 2. Which means that's the 4. Going a bit mad today, just doing them all in black instantly. Okay, that being the case, that 4, and then there's going to be a 4 in one of those two, like that. The 2 doesn't get us anywhere. Well, this is filling up there. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. There's a 9 there, so that's 2, 8. That's 2, 8, so this is the 9. See how that works? Yes, you do. Here, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Still can't do anything with that. But here, 1, 6, 1, 6. We got the 6 in there. Let's just slash it with the 1. There's another 1, 6 there. That'll all come out. It means that here we've got the 1 and the 6 taken care of for this row. So we can go 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. So 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. I heard myself say there. 4, 5, 9. So 2 and 7. 2, 4. No. Just that. 2, 8, 2, 7. Down here, 3, 5, 6, 8. 3, 5, 6, 8. 3, 5, 6. Oh, 3, 5, 6, 8. Bingo. No, I did that vertically, didn't I? So the 8 could be that. I don't think I've got that right. I don't think I did the logic right there. I think that's 3. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yeah. Yeah. That square can only have an 8 in it. 3, 5, 6, 8. So that means it's 3, 5, 6 for the rest. 3, 5, 6 there. 3, 5, 6. There's a 6. There's a 5. So it's 3, 5, 6. So the rest is 5, 6. Like that. This square now, it's going to only have a 1 or a 7 in it. Which means this row, it's the 1 and 7 is considered completed. 2, 5, 8, 9. 2, 5, 8, 9. There's 8, 9. So that's 2, 5, 8, 9. 2, 5, 8, 9. 2, 5, 8, 9. 2, 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 2, 8, 2, 7. So that's obviously 2, 7, 5, 8. And that would be 7, 5 there then. That doesn't whittle it down, unfortunately. 5, 7, 9. Hell, I'm going to put it in because 5, 7, 9 there, and 5, 9 and 5, 9, those three squares have got 5, 7 and 9 in. They can't be in any other squares. And then we can take away 3, 4 and 8. That leaves us with 1, 2 and 6. And the 6 is going to go in one of those. But look, 1, 2 there. So that's going to be the 6. The 2 has to be there because that's 2 or 5. That'll have to be the 1. 8, that's 2 8, so that's going to be the 2. That's 2 7s, so it's going to be the 7. That's 7 5, so it's going to be the 5. That's 5 8, so that's going to be the 8. 2 8 down here is going to be the 8. 4 8 here is going to be the 4. We've got 5 9 there, 7 1 7 1, so this will be a 5 9. There's a 5 there, so that'll be the 9 of the 5 9, and this will be the 5 of the 5 9. There's a 5 9 there. And then we got the 7 of the 5 7 9 there that we put in, that we wouldn't normally put in a number like that, but we did it because it gave us a group of 3. That's why we did that. 6 1 and is that 6 1 and 6 1? It is. So therefore this will be limited numbers here. So 1 2 4. Yep, 2 4 here. And because that's limited there, it limits the square to 1 5 7. Oh no, just 5 7. 1's already there. So 5 7. 5 7 5 7. Could have done that with the column as well, just as easily. This one here, 3 8 9 for this lot, or 4 8 9 for this lot. So that'd be 4 8. I can't whittle it down more than that. See if any of these doubles get knocked out. 1 6s, no. 5 6s. Sorry, I keep losing the phone. 3 5 3 6 5 6. Across the bottom here, 2 5. This is 2 5. This is 2 5. 2 5 6 8. 2 5 6 8. 2 5 6 8. Not doing it, is it? squares. 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. 1, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Where's the 3s? Any pool cues? I can't see any pool cues. 7. This 7 must be over here. Gives us a 7 in there. 7, 7. This 7 must be one of these. Just like that. The 7 goes across there. It counts for this as well, then, doesn't it? We haven't got much else there. That's 6, 1, 5, 6. It's not whittled. It's not whittled enough. 3, 5, 3, 6. And 5, 6. Ah, wait. 3, 5, 3, 6, and 5, 6. So that's 3, 5, 6. 3 numbers for 3 squares. So 3, 5, 6 are done. 1 and 2 are done. So 1, 2, 3. So we've got 4, 7, 8, 9. The 9s are there. And the 7s are there. So that'll be a 4 or an 8. 4, 7, 8, 9. The 9 can't be there, so the 9 is there. There's 4, 7, 8. Oh, but there's the 4, so that's 7 or 8 there. 4, 7, 8, 9. So again, this will be 7, 8, 9. I suppose. And this will be 4, 4, 8, 9. Well, 9, 8, 4, 8, 4, 6, 1. Can't have a 1 there. Can't have a 1. Oh, 6, 1, 6, 1. They're taken care of. So 2, no, 4, 8, 9. Just 4, 8, 9 here. And there's 4. Oh. Oh, not for there though. So 4, 8, 9 over here. Oh, look, the 3. So that 3 goes there. 4, 8, 9. So what, this is 8 or 9, I suppose. Getting confused and getting tired. 7, 8, 8, 4, 7, 1. That's the only 1 there. There's no 1 there. And here, the 1 has to be with that one or that one too. 7, 7, those 7's there. That one's there. I'm going to ink it in. I'm going to say that the 7's down the middle here. I can't remember what made me think that. 7, 7, and then that 7 has to be there. I can't remember where I did this because I'm falling asleep. 5, 5, 5. If 5 there, where does the 6 go? Then it would have to go there somewhere. Don't know if that's a problem or not. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 2, 4, so that would be 6, 8 then. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nothing there. This one, so that's 4, 8, 9, isn't it? That's 4, 8. That's 4, 8. And then the 9 has to be there. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, and then this one, 9 has to be in the middle. The only one it can be is that one. Which makes that an 8, 4, and that's an 8, 4. So they're all reducing now. I can only see 1, 7. It's there. Which means that 7's going to be there. That 1's going to be there. That 1's going to be there. 3, 5, 8, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6. There's the 4 there. Only leaves the 8. 4, 8, 8, 8. That 8's got to be there. 1, 6 and 1, 6 and 1, 6 there. I guess there's another 1, 6 there. Does that mean that has to be the 5? I'm not sure. 3, 6, 6, 8. Oh, 6, 8. So that's got to be the 6 because you've got the 8 for that column. That'll be the 3. That'll be the 5. That'll be the 6. That'll be the 1. 5, 6, 1, 6. It's kind of ground to a halt. No, it hasn't one. 6 there. It's the invisible 6s. Is that a 6 or an 8? That must be an 8. That gives us this 5, 6 to be a 5. 2, 5 gets to a 2. 3 and 8 here. So the 3's up there. So the 3's going to be there. The 8's going to be there. That 3 there. We've got along here 2 and 5. That's going to be the 5. Well, down here is a 2 and 5 again. Often get the echoes of the numbers like that. The 2 goes to the 2 and 4 there. Always look for the pair you've just had, even if it's going in a different direction. So often is the case. That's the one you need. 4 there, 8 there, 4 there. That was 24 minutes and 40 seconds. So target was 30 minutes. So we beat the target. But because I was falling asleep, I don't know how I did that one bit where I got a sudden brainwave. But never mind. We've done a Sudoku. I didn't really lead you by the hand with it this time, and also my phone kept sliding because I was falling asleep. So I don't know if I'll show you that one, but if I do show you that one, sorry about the phone sliding. And I'll see you next time on my channel, my puzzles page.